In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your personal email in Hubspot. This is the ultimate guide for 2024, and we're going to get this done in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Hubspot homepage. If you're new to HubSpot, it's a comprehensive platform that offers a suite of tools designed for marketing, sales, and customer service teams. Now that we're on the homepage, the next step is to look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. If this is your first time, you'll need to enter your credentials. Otherwise, HubSpot might automatically log you into your most recently accessed account. Once you've logged into HubSpot, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. It's a hub of activity with plenty of widgets and sections that can be adjusted to fit your workflow. For today, we'll focus on setting up your email connection. Navigate to the settings by looking for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. Click on it to enter the settings menu. This settings area is where you can customize much of your HubSpot experience to better suit your needs. Next, in the left sidebar of the settings menu, find and click on Email. This is your email management section, and it's where all the magic happens when it comes to integrating your personal email account with HubSpot. Once inside the email settings, you'll be greeted with options to connect various email services. Find and click on the option that says Connect Personal Email. This step will guide you through the process of linking your personal email account with HubSpot, allowing seamless communication and integration between your HubSpot dashboard and your email client. Depending on your email provider, you may be prompted to authorize the connection and give HubSpot permissions to manage specific actions like sending and logging email activities. It's essential to carefully read through the permissions requested during the process to ensure you're comfortable with what you're granting. After you successfully connect your email, you'll start to see benefits like tracking correspondence and logging emails directly within HubSpot, enhancing productivity and collaboration. This setup is particularly valuable for teams who rely on having all communication and data in one place for efficient decision making. There you have it, your personal email is now connected to HubSpot, streamlining your workflow and helping you stay on top of communications. If anything didn't go as smoothly, don't worry. HubSpot support resources are vast, with plenty of guides and assistance available for various troubleshooting needs. Thanks for tuning into today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more insightful guides like this one. Happy connecting!